Job hazard analysis. Job. Electrical troubleshooting. Job description. In a establishment, one of the breaker is tripping for unknown reason. The management calls for electrician. An electrician's primary responsibilities are to install, maintain, and repair electrical power, communications, lighting and control systems. Their training and work experience allows them to professionally analyze and detect electrical problems in residential homes and businesses. Job step. Number 1. Turn off the main breaker. Hazard. Contact with live parts causing shock and burns. Control strategy. Root PPE. Job step number 2. Locate the problem. Hazard. Slip, trip, or fall. Control strategies. Administrative control. Root PPE. Job step number 3. Test for short circuit and other electrical problems using multi-tester. Hazard. Exposure to dirt or dust particles. Control strategy. Root PPE. Job step number 4. Fix the wiring of the short circuit and replace components that are damaged. Hazard. Tool slipping. Control strategies. Administrative control. Root PPE. Job step number 5. Test for malfunction using multi-tester. Hazard. Loose or improper connection. Control strategies. Administrative control. Job step number 6. Turn on the main breaker. Hazard. Contact with live parts causing shock and burns. Control strategy. Hazard identification, risk assessment, and control report. Work activity. Electrical troubleshooting. Hazard. In safety hazards. Number 1. Slip, trip, or fall. Number 2. Tool slipping. Possible effect. Injury. Existing risk control, if any. Harnesses and lanyards where you can /T eliminate the risk of falls completely. Hard hats where there may be falls of tools or materials overhead. Probability. 70%. Severity. High. Risk. Proposed control measure. Administrative control and root PPE. In health hazards. Number 1. Exposure to dirt or dust particles. Number 2. Contact with live parts. Possible effect. Skin irritation. Respiratory illness. Shocks and burns. Existing risk control, if any. Use safety gloves and protection for the whole body. Probability. 70%. Severity. High. Risk. High. Proposed control measure. Root PP.